Uy! Alongside with the launch ng Poco F series, yung F8 series, meron pa pala silang nilabas na dalawang tablet. And I have here is one out of two tablets na nilabas from Poco. And this is the Poco Pad M1. First time sila naglabas ng M series para sa isang tablet. And one thing that I am sure about this one is sobrang massive agad ng battery. And there's a lot of specs inside that probably might blow your mind away. So pag-usapan natin in this video. So the usual, ang Poco packaging is black box with yellow fonts printed on the front. Nakasulat dito, Poco Pad M1. So buksan ko muna ha. Bubungad sa'yo, meron siyang stickers from Poco. Ito yung tablet proper mismo. Andyan yung nakaprint mga specs. We have the warranty card, quick start guide, ATC cable, and a 33 watts na fast charging brick. So buksan muna natin. Uy, malaki. Poco. Now, itong Poco Pad M1 na may 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage would be priced at $15,999 and early bird price would be at $13,999. This would be available sa Shopee and makakakuha ka pa ng 1K na voucher off from Shopee platform voucher, further bringing this tablet down to just $12,999. Now, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong tablet na ito, I'll post the link on the description box below or just simply click the YouTube shopping link just to be sure na legit and official ang mabibili ninyo. Huwag na kayo paligoy-ligoy pa. Maraming scammers out there ngayon, lalo na magpapasko. Just a quick word of reminder. Now, there are some accessories na available din dito para sa Poco Pad M1. Meron tayong tablet cover na available. Meron din tayong keyboard na available. And I've been using itong kanyang keyboard cover for quite a while and honestly, maganda ang feel nito. Magandang leatherette feel niya dito sa labas and well, honestly, hindi naman siya kumakapit mga dumi and you can even use this as a tablet stand. Okay na okay din ang kanyang keyboard, tahimik siya mag-type and very responsive. Meron siyang on-off switch dito and kailangan mo charge separately. Meron siyang USB-C port dito. Baka magtaka kayo kung bakit hindi na nag-respond ang iyong keyboard kasi hindi siya magnetic type. Now, one of the good things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya dito sa kanyang camera. Now, one of the good things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is maganda pagkagawa niya dito sa kanyang camera. May gold ring siya, which makes the tablet looks quite premium. All black, tapos bigla may dalawang gold rings dito. Parang elegant for me. Though I prefer yung Poco logo dito na sobrang laki sa gitna, probably might be better if it's somewhere here na mas maliit. Masyado siyang bold para sa akin. And a good news para sa inyo is that this one is also expandable sa kanyang storage. Pwede kang maglagay ng SD card dito for expansion. If you run out of storage, ay yung 256 gig ng internal storage. Another good thing is nandiyan pa rin kanyang audio jack. Meron siyang quad speakers dito. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Dolby Atmos ang kanyang sound, by the way. And expect mo ang kanyang bezel is a bit thick pero symmetrical naman siya. Now, on everyday multitasking, itong tablet na ito, sobrang powerful. Yung tipong more than enough para sa'yo on a day-to-day task. Running your WPS office dito, be it spreadsheet, document, or just doing some PowerPoint presentation, kayang-kaya nitong tablet na ito. It's very easy to use dito sa kanya and might even be better kung meron kang pen. Except that hindi ako nakapagbili ng pen nito. It probably might be sold separately. Like video editing dito, walang problema. Playing some games is also okay. And watching videos dito is definitely entertaining. Ang kanyang processor inside is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4. It's more than enough for everyday usage like I said a while ago. And dito sa Antutu Benchmark version 10, nakakuha pa ako ng 775,000 points dito sa kanya. For other benchmark, ito na. Now, probably one of the key selling point na itong tablet na ito is sobrang massive ang kanyang battery. At 12,000 mAh, it's even bigger than a power bank na 10,000 mAh. And probably this is my first time to hold a tablet na ganun kalaki ang kanyang battery. And honestly, pag hinawakan mo itong tablet ito, hindi naman siya sobrang bigat and it's weighing at around mga 600 grams. Another winning point dito sa kanya is quite fast din ang kanyang charging at 33 watts. And guys, take note, meron siyang reverse wired charging support at 22.5 watts. Meaning, pwede mo siyang gawing power bank to charge your other devices in case of emergency, pag kinailangan lang. Now, one good thing dito sa tablet na ito is that yung kanyang battery can last you for 2 days without charging. And ginamit ko siya as my daily driver, ginamit ko siya for online, and for entertainment purpose or some light gaming, 2 days kinayanan niya. And to further back up my claim, eto guys, binigyan ako ng 23 hours and 21 minutes na screen on time. Paldo ba? Oo naman, paldong-paldo. Now, if you want to know the full specs nitong Poco Pad M1, eto na. Now, pagdating sa display nitong tablet na ito, it's quite massive at 12.1 inch, which for me is just the right size if you're using it for basically anything online. Can even be a laptop replacement pag ako tinanong mo, kasi okay na okay din ang gamitin ng kanyang keyboard. You just probably need a mouse to make it feel better. Para nagla-laptop ka na lang. Winner din ang kanyang 2.5K na display, which can let you watch really good contents on this tablet, and a 120Hz of screen refresh rate to give you a good browsing experience, lalo na if you're swiping across mga social media platforms, okay na okay ang swiping experience din niya. Napag-usapan natin quickly ang kanyang audio. This one has quad speaker, and good thing is that it's also tuned by Dolby Atmos. Kaya pa nga daw niya mag-kick up to 300% ng kanyang maximum volume. So, how about a sound test? I'm done hiding now, I'm shining like I'm gonna be. Uy, malakas ang kanyang sound, and very immersive and true enough na talagang kaya niya mag-kick up to 300% ng kanyang volume. Dahil makikita mo dito sa indicator, yes, it's truly 300% ng kanyang max volume. Sound tripping, okay na okay din. Now, syempre, hindi ko naman pwede itawid itong tablet na ito without playing some games. I played 2 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Honor of Kings. Now, both of these games, okay na okay din ang performance niya. And good news guys, now, pag inactivate mo ang kanyang wild boost, it can boost up to 120 FPS on both games. And what's nice dito sa kanya is maganda ang iyong viewing angle kasi, well, malaki. And the sound is definitely rich on both games. Lalo sa Call of Duty Mobile, mapapansin mo, ang ganda, ang lutong ng mga gunshot dito sa kanya. Talagang mag-e-enjoy ka dito sa kanya. Pero kung gusto mo medyo mas private and mas immersive, you can always put on your favorite headphones, the wired, kasi meron pa siyang audio jack. Now, the touch response is definitely fast. Okay siya, wala kang maging problema sa kanya. And another thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya, is hindi siya masyado mainit. And hawak ko naman siya, hindi ko na siya ginage, pero estimate ko around nasa less than 40 degrees Celsius. Now guys, quickly pag-usapan na natin kanyang camera. Meron siyang single camera sensor dito sa likod as its rear camera, which can let you shoot 1080p and 30fps. And kanyang selfie camera, same din. Pwede mag-shoot up to 1080p and 30fps. Now quickly, analyze lang natin some of the shots na nakuha natin. On outdoors, not so bad ang mga nakuha ko dito sa kanya. Being able to get some snaps dito sa kanya, medyo a little bit saturated as expected from a Poco na device. Wala akong naging problema naman dito sa kanya. Hindi naman siya yung sobrang saturated na medyo nagiging neon color na siya. But yung kanya saturation is just right enough for you to post sa Instagram, sa Facebook. Okay na okay naman siya. And based on what I can see dito, yung kanyang orange dito sa plant na ito is quite good. No? Medyo natural ang dating niya, pero yung orange siya is quite cool sa aking mata. Now, if you bring this tablet on indoor, you'll be able to get some good snaps naman sa kanya. Mabilis naman siya mag-focus, wala kang maging problema. Except that there are times na medyo magiging a little bit softer kasi of course this is still a tablet, hindi naman siya talaga expected to perform like a smartphone camera, but nevertheless, it can get you some really nice snaps naman if you can get some good lighting and focus it well. Pagdating sa kanyang front-facing camera is okay, wala kang maging problema naman dito sa kanya, taking some good photos, and pagdating naman sa indoor, it's a little bit softer, expected naman pagdating sa low light. Now, here are some samples na video from the front and the rear camera. Ito naman video quality you'll be getting if you're shooting 1080 and 30fps as well. Parang mas stable pa nga ito kaysa kanyang rear camera. What you think guys? And ito naman performance ng kanyang rear camera, also shooting at 1080 and 30fps. Pansin ko parang there's a bit of a focus hunting going on dito sa kanyang rear camera. But of course, you won't be using this naman while you're walking, di ba? So right now, itry muna natin kanyang front-facing camera. Kunwari nag-video conferencing tayo, anong magiging itsura niya. Eto na. So guys, I'm right now using the Poco Pad M1 and shooting using its front-facing camera. Ang maximum resolution niya is just 1080p and 30fps. And what I can say is that as long as you have pretty nice, good lighting, mukhang okay naman ang kanyang video. I have no problem with it kasi kita ko naman blemishes na aking muka. And it looks quite good. I think this can be a good front-facing camera for you to make some video chat, video conferencing with your friends and with your colleagues. Tingin nyo guys, I'm using the default audio by the way. So ano masasabi niyo guys dito sa bagong Poco Pad M1? With its special price na $39.99, I think paldo tong tablet na ito. With a massive battery together with a really good na kind of processor, I think this is definitely something that you can invest towards Christmas or even moving forward 2026. Poco Pad M1 is definitely something that you can rely on. So guys, if you're interested to buy itong tablet na ito, I'll post the link on the description or just simply click the YouTube shopping link. And of course, in-encourage ko kayo i-share itong video na ito sa inyong mga friends na naghanap ng tablet. And in-encourage ko rin kayo mag-like, subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out yung mga videos just like this one. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.